Hi, I just wanted to make a quick video about this beautiful T75 Mikron mill that I recently bought off Dr. David Samways of Anglo-Swiss Tools. I'm going to link his channel in the description here. It was really to go with my Mikron T90 clockmaker's lathe, which I adore. This is kind of its milling brother. A lot of the parts are interchangeable, well, not interchangeable, but they're made in a very similar way. At the moment I've got the vertical head on. There is also a horizontal milling head which is down there. I had to convert it from three-phase to single phase, but I will switch it on in a minute. And I'm machining a part which you can't see with this light, but I'm just making a little clamp for my new vise. And of course I needed another vise to make the clamps for the vise, but that's quite typical, is it not? Anyway, I just really wanted to show it off a little bit, and I just want you to hear it purr. So just not going too fast. And this is the wonderful power tool. I'm just going to adjust the stop. I think it's a bit optimistic. So engage it. There it goes. This is a lovely power tool. Anyway, just wanted to show it off. If anybody else got a T75 and would like to share thoughts, I would love it. Thank you for watching.